Welcome to How to Solve.
Hi there! Today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to find followers on Threads. Let's go! Now, you might be on the new Instagram app called Threads that was created by Meta, and you might want to see all of your followers that you have accumulated in the whole day. I will show you how to do that. So first, let's open up our Threads here. And as you can see, it will show you all of the accounts that you follow in addition to the other ones that it thinks you might want to see. All you have to do is tap the profile button, and here you can see at the top left it shows you your followers. If you tap on that, you will see all of the users that follows you, and you will also see the option to follow the account back. That is how we find followers on the Threads app.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.